with a melody. You surround me with a song of deliverance from my enemies, till all my fears have gone. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God.
So I applied for BYU before joining the church, and in my mind I kind of expected this BYU experience, and it's really hard to receive that experience in the classroom. Experiential learning is just going through the things that the people of old went through, just being able to walk where the prophet Joseph Smith walked and being able to see what he saw. The beautiful thing about this trip is that no two people have the same experience, but we're all able to also experience very similar things. Just being able to see what Joseph saw when he knelt down to pray in the sacred grove, it was very touching.
I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. I am surrounded by the arms of a Father. I am surrounded by songs of deliverance. We've been liberated from our bondage. We're the sons and the daughters. Let us sing our freedom.
This summer I am going on my mission. I thought that there wouldn't be a better way to prepare than to come here and learn more about Joseph Smith and the restoration and what I'm going to be teaching people for the next 18 months. And before, I truly didn't have a super strong testimony of Joseph Smith. Coming here and being on this experience has really changed that. It's truly an amazing experience to be here, and I can feel my testimony growing inside me. And I know that Joseph Smith is a prophet and that this is the true restored church, and coming on this trip has really solidified that for me.